And, Judi, are you interested in...
I have a parrot. Yes. I was given a parrot at Christmas.
Really? Yes, this is news to me.
A charming parrot called Sweetheart. Oh. And she's lived with a man, well, you know, with a family.
Charming's lived.
14 years.
14 years?
Yes, now she's come to me. I said to David, who brought her to me, does she speak? And he said, oh, yes, she'll speak, all right. And she goes, what are you doing? She said, what are you doing? At about 11:30 in the morning, she says, bedtime. But I've tried, you know, being very refined and hoping that she might do a bit of to be or not to be. I do repeat that a lot. She goes, looks at me sideways. Bedtime. I never win.